Hi guys, how we doing? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Rodian, and we also have here Holly, my wife. What are we going to be doing today, Hull? Hull, where are you? What are we up to today?
Digging all that out.
Okay.
Probably having to take down that tree.
All right, yeah, not this one here. So this lump of earth and sort of hardcore, that's going to go. That, what is that, a fir tree? I don't know what tree that is, but that annoying tree, we're going to cut that annoying tree down because it blocks a lot of the light coming into the greenhouse. It will turn out like that big one, which, well, that needs to go as well because that is right in the middle of our sunspot.
And then take the greenhouse down.
There we go, yeah, we decided we're going to take the greenhouse down.
Yeah.
We've got a few ideas of what we want to do with this greenhouse, as in we're thinking of rebuilding it. So what we're going to do is, Holly, do you feel comfortable controlling the digger?
Yes.
Okay. We want to cut that tree down, knock that greenhouse down and hopefully build a new one. But again, we'll get to that in a minute. So first off, we'll get Holly on the digger and we'll start making a mess again. Yeah, as you can probably tell, the battery was flat. Those of you who remember from last episode, the battery was flat and I forgot to take it out and I forgot to charge it. So we're gonna have to charge it. But in the meantime, what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut that tree down before we move this out of the way. Let me just quickly whip this battery out and then we'll go over there. Just like that, the tree is down. The chainsaw was a bit blunt, but I did use it at the end to chop it up, but I did have to use the axe to actually cut it down like you saw. We have all of the logs and everything ready to go in the fire pit. Holly, what? Shall we see if the digger's working now? Right, okay, let's give the digger another go. Okay. Give it a few more beans, about halfway, a bit more. Right, now, there you go. Now push them both forwards. Right up to it. Right, what we're going to do is Holly is going to dig out from the pile, put it in this wheelbarrow here, and then I am going to go up. I'll tell you what, I'll go over there and show you. I've set up a little ramp here. It goes up and over this wall, so I'm going to push the barrow up here and start infilling this area here. And once that's sort of started infilling, I'll start over here. We're going to get this section filled up first and then go from there. So I'm going to be on the wheelbarrow and Holly is going to be filling up my barrow. Basically, you hold it there, let me move. Right, now try and twist. She's a natural. You're doing good there. Onwards. There we go. The space has been cleared. It is the next day. We spent a little bit of time after we shut the camera off getting this all cleared. The digger is not exactly working properly. It still has that issue where the track just doesn't want to work. So it's sort of half stuck there at the moment. I thought I'd leave it overnight to see if it decided to work again today. But yeah, we've cleared it. So a lot of that stuff that was here we had to clear by hand, and we raked it out and leveled it out. Yeah, that tree that we cut down, that got burnt last night. If you don't follow me on Instagram, I did put a story up on Instagram about us burning it, saying that I think I need a bigger fire pit. But yeah, if you aren't following me on Instagram, Rodin_builds, yeah, there'll be a link below. Put it on screen somewhere. Go and follow me on Instagram. There's plenty more behind the scenes stuff that goes on over there. So yeah, follow me over there. George of the Jungle, move over. We got Holly of the
There isn't enough room for a good
bomb site. There's not enough room for a good swing. Give it another go.
Let me try this way.
I'll wait for this to snap, mate.
No,
Are you sure? Well, I'm not the one swinging on it. Go on, give it a go.
Oh no.
That sort of worked.
You have a go.
Me?
Yeah.
I'm going to go arse over tip, but alright. Yeah, but
Had that epic
bear
swing.
in mind, Holly, you weigh a good, like, 20 kilos less than me.
I weigh a lot less than you. I'm joking.
That's what I'm saying. How much do you... I shouldn't really ask you how much you weigh. I weigh 75 kilos.
I weigh 53.
So yeah, 20 kilos. I reckon 20 kilos is going to make all the difference.
Well, let's test it. It needs to come down anyway, so if you can pull it
So if
down.
it comes down with me and my broken coccyx, it doesn't matter.
We should have said my broken cock.
My broken cock.
Don't break that, please.
I don't know where I'm going to swing to, but...
Just try and pull it. Oh.
There is broken glass around here, so I don't really want to stack it any more
Don't
than
be
that.
such a little baby.
Alright, okay, here we go. Let's have another good swing then.
Just live life a bit.
This is what you say when you know I'm going to hurt myself.
What? If I film you, you won't moan.
Oh, mate! Come on, look what I landed on.
That's what I hit my chin on the other
Oh, I
day.
just killed myself on it. Oh, mate. Oh, I wish I'd done that in slow motion. Oh,
You okay?
I narrowly missed cutting my coccyx off.
I actually didn't think you'd fall.
Oh, bruv.
Sorry.
I broke my back. Can you help me up at least, please? Oh, look, Holly, you made me cut myself.
I did that yesterday.
Come down here, you little... Oh. My legs all are still attached, aren't they? My arms are still here. Oh, well, at least it came down.
Yeah. Well done.
Oh, hello. Trying to find some good bits of wood to wedge up the roof before we knock it down.
Well, the metal beams.
Well, the metal beams, yeah. Right,
Yeah.
let's get these over there to hold that up. I heard that turn on and he's just aiming it right at my bum. Hi ho, hi ho. It's off to the greenhouse we go with a bucket and spade and a hand grenade because I don't want to knock it down.
They're too big.
Yeah, I know. I cut them too big so that I can measure. I can cut them
How big did you cut them?
250.
What did I tell you it would be?
You said 250. I know you said 250.
Before we measured
Holly,
anything.
you're so clever. You're so amazing. You're the most intelligent, future predicting, beautiful wife ever that's ever been. Thank you so much for predicting that.
I did guess it right though.
Yeah, I know. That's why I didn't say that you were wrong and I cut them at 250 because...
Alright, come on, put them up.
Okay.
Less talking, more working.
Alright. Sorry, boss. Yes, boss. I'm on it, boss.
What are you actually going to do then?
But I'm going to put these bits of wood underneath these bits of metal because they are built into the wall up there, and I don't really fancy taking that bit of blockwork off at the moment, if at all, for the time being.
Wait, but why did you cut them too long?
So, because they're all three are at different heights. So I thought if I cut them a bit too long, measure them here, then I can cut them at the right height.
You do things so long. Why don't you just measure them all individually when you were over there and cut them once?
Because I'm not as smart as you. You can't see the big smile on her face. She is grinning. Give me that cat eye. You're not smiling as much anymore.
Okay.
Just leave me to it, okay?
Alright.
I need a pencil. Can you give me a pencil, please?
Yes.
Perfect, right. Let's do the others. So we've got the posts in. Hopefully that will hold just these bits of metal up, because like I said, they are in the wall over there and I don't really want that brickwork to topple off. So now all we've got to do is knock these down. I don't think there's a great... I'm not... Go on then. Whack this one.
Really?
Yeah, just give it a wallop.
Okay. I can barely hold this thing.
Go on, give it a almighty...
I'm pretty sure even if I pushed it, it would fall.
But it's more fun hitting it with a hammer.
Which, in or out?
I'd say in.
Oh, that's awkward.
Oh, I hit it out then. It doesn't really matter. That's a good start.
See, you just push it, watch.
Yeah, that's because you hit that bit with the sledgehammer.
No, I did it yesterday.
Alright, push the bottom bit then. Those bits you hit with the sledgehammer, push that bit. Oh, alright, okay. Point proven. Yeah. But at least it'll make a good thumbnail. Should we just poodle along with the rest, I guess, because it's going to come out quite easy and then we're just going to have to break it up afterwards.
I think, yeah, let's get the guttering down first.
Alright, okay.
I can see it on the horizon, spray painted in black and blue. I can feel the storm winds rising. Can you feel it too? Rain pouring, the sky's falling, lightning strikes and thunder rolls. Just hold on to my hand and don't let go. Once more into the fire, once more into the burning flame, once more into the fray. But I swear we're gonna be okay. Rain pouring, the sky's falling, lightning strikes and thunder rolls. Just hold on to my hand and don't let go. Once more into the fire, once more into the burning flame, once more into the fray. I swear we're gonna be okay. Once more, we're gonna be okay. Into the burning flame, we're gonna be okay.
I'll tell you what, there's so much more room here. Hey ho. Someone's got a bad back.
I'm tired.
I think we've had a long day. 2 days.
2 very long
A long 2 days. 2 very long days, sorry. But well, there we go. That is it cleared. But now we are stuck with the problem of what to do with this.
We still need to do the ground.
Pardon?
If any, like, this is not finished, if anyone
Oh
thinks that
yeah,
looks shit,
this.
who knows?
Watch your mouth.
Rubbish.
This obviously needs grading over with the digger, and all these bits need moving. But the digger, we've got a problem with the digger. I was going to say, if anyone out there either knows anything about hydraulics and diggers, because I found a leak. When it's on and running, there is a leak from sort of under there somewhere. Hydraulic oil is leaking out of it. Not at a great rate. Not at a great rate at all, really, to be fair. But I kept topping it up with oil, and there, yeah, it did leak out. So if anyone knows anything about hydraulics, or knows anyone in the Surrey area who knows anything about hydraulics, or is a mechanic or Berkshire of the UK, if anyone knows anyone or anyone in that area that might be able to fix it, then let me know in the email below. Please, only business emails. I get a lot of emails that I can't answer. So drop me a line down on that email, because I'd happily have someone come out and fix this, and obviously I'd pay you for your time. But please let me know, because this digger, that track is sort of becoming a bit of a pain. Anyway, Holly, what are we going to do here?
I have no idea. I want a greenhouse, but I don't know if I can be bothered to
Have a greenhouse.
have a greenhouse.
Fair enough. What was that?
It's nice to have a bit more space
Right.
to look at.
Right.
Oh, I don't know. I'm not very good at imagining what things look like. That's why I don't do anything creative.
Fair enough. So, guys, gals out there, please comment below, what should we put here? If at all anything, we could just fill it in, just turf it and have a bit more grass like we do here. So let us know, what do you think? Garden folly, greenhouse, I don't know, a mini castle.
If anyone has a greenhouse, how difficult is it to maintain? Because we're happy to put in maybe like
A
half an
half-assed
hour,
a half-assed effort
No, I mean,
at most.
obviously I'm probably going to go back to work. So
Yeah. Okay.
it's just how, if we build it and then everything dies because we don't have time
Yeah.
to deal with it, because obviously we have a lot of time now, but
Yeah.
we don't know how long that's going to last. So if anyone does have one, how much time,
How much
not
effort? All right.
not effort, because we'll put in the effort, but it's just the time
Right.
does it take, basically. Please let us know.
Comment below. Let us know. Recap. What can we put here? Or should we bother putting anything at all? Just leave it, fill it in with dirt. Again, if anyone knows anyone about diggers, that would be fantastic if you could come and fix it. I'm not very mechanically minded, so I'd probably make it worse. And as Holly just said, how much hard work is a greenhouse? If obviously after the lockdown and Holly goes back to work, we're not sure about that, but please let us know. Right, okay, we'll leave it there, guys. Anything else you want to say, Holly? Love you lots, goodbye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit the bell, like, comment,
Share.
share.
All the things YouTubers ask you to do.
Yeah.
I don't have an outro now, she's done it for me. Anyway, Holly's done the good stuff, so thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode. See you then. Take care. Toodaloo. Say bye, Holly.
Bye.
See you later.